Shane here, the founder of Space Plants, and I'm excited to announce that our Smart Irrigation Controller is now available for just $198. And check out this. This is our fully decked out solar powered version. It's got a 20-watt solar panel, which is charging a battery. It gets charged by the power of the sun every day. You can do other things with this too. You can charge your phone on it, and you can also run this 5-watt light. So if you're out gardening at nighttime, it's perfect. So this has also got this really awesome casing. It's a nice sturdy casing which is protecting it from the weather. It's also concealing the water tank. In here is a 30-litre water tank which is connected to a light indicator, and that will flash when the tank goes empty. You can also mix in nutrients directly into that tank and it'll irrigate with nutrient-rich water. And you can see the results. So we've got our plants doing so well. We've got snow peas that are growing up the back of the trellis. We've got coriander, we've got kale, we've even got our fruit trees, our little fruit tree saplings coming up, being irrigated by this as well. We've got it connected to our veggie pod. The veggie pod is growing kale, silver beet, beetroots and viola flowers. These are another awesome Australian invention, and it works perfectly with our Smart Irrigation Controller. It's so easy to control as well with your phone. So you can just log on to our web-based app and you can select your irrigation schedule to run at a time that's convenient for you. So if you want more information, go to spaceplants.com.au, and if you want one of these, fill out the contact form and we'll be in touch with you today.